Lucas, are you excited? Where are you going today?
In the pet store to get birds. Bird, 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 bird.
That's supposed to be a surprise, but the cage came and then Daddy need to assemble it.
Make sure to watch our YouTube channel and watch. Oh my gosh!
Oh my! What is
And don't
that?
forget to watch my mom's birthday that I make her coffee.
Okay. This is real? Wow! Is it real?
Mommy,
Hi!
Mommy, come here.
Oh, Lucas is excited.
Birdie.
Birdie.
Huh, there's a white one.
Oh, I like white one.
White, blue.
Oh, there's no. Ayun,
Mommy.
blue.
Don't you?
Mommy, come here. This one. Mommy, this one I'm telling
Oh,
you
we're
about.
picking up our
Mommy,
pet. They're nice.
Mommy,
Lucas
come
is
here.
so
Mommy,
excited.
come here. This one bird I'm
Oh,
telling
you
you
know,
about.
the first one.
What?
This bird. This black me.
Oh, nice. Marcus, Marcus. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Everyone be quiet. Mom.
Yeah, nice bird.
Oh. Look, this one's not staring at us.
Where? Let me see.
This one right here.
Oh, stop. He said stop.
Oh, it's dancing.
Oh, oh wow. Good job.
Jump, 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 jump. Maybe like this one's jumping. It was like this.
Hi. Look at someone said stop. Let me get out.
Those big ones. Marcus, don't open my gate. Don't open my gate.
Titus, do you like it? Oh, there's another one there. Titus, look. Titus, look. Oh, they have a nice accessory. Come on, let's pick. Oh, Titus is pink. Come on. Let's pick our bird.
I want this kind of bird.
What is that?
Wait, this one, Dad, is this one a parakeet? Is this one a parakeet?
That's a parakeet,
They're
yeah.
big.
Okay, Dad, you said parakeet should get a bird.
Oh, yeah, that nice. Oh, purple. This is purple too.
Oh, this one's purple.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, this one's flying.
Oh, you know,
Oh, just lifted Titus.
Okay, let's go get one now. I want to get that one.
oh, you don't put the inside, the inside.
Yeah, I leave the last two things.
Oh, you leave the last two, right?
And when you make a mom, don't like try handling them the first day. Let them.
Oh, no,
relax.
yeah. We look up the thing, you know, we're not gonna,
Yeah. Make
we,
sure to let them relax and chill out and stuff, because they're gonna be stressed out. Make sure when you're handling them and stuff, you go slow. No fast movements, especially for kids and stuff.
Wait there.
Get
this.
On the left one,
Here.
right there.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
Oh, get the bird. Get it. Oh, the bird's out.
Excited to
Open. Okay.
no
Oh,
to
this-
put water in the cage. We got our birds now. Birds, I mean. Oh, no, Lucas, put one here too.
Put one there.
I told you.
Let's try first.
Here, more. See ba? Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah.
You need to try for. Oh, you need to put everything now.
Okay.
One. You count how many? Lucas, you need to take care of them properly, okay? Are you nervous?
No.
I think you need to put I have a small cup there.
Okay.
Lucas, you do that every day, okay?
Of course, I do
Lucas,
it morning
yeah.
and evening.
No, I think
Yeah.
only once. I'm not sure. I forgot.
Dad,
More, yeah.
tell me when to stop.
I think I need to put.
Tama na yan.
No, put everything there. Oh. Look, the bird. Marcus, see?
Wait, I hear the bird. I tip it over.
Marcus, look at the bird.
Dad, look at the bird, Marcus.
Don't put your hand there. Put your hand inside. Yeah.
Yes. Wait, don't stress them out.
Oh, shit.
Hi.
Tumayo na.
He pooped.
No, he didn't poop.
Yeah, he already pooped. Oh, see?
Lucas, stop.
Lucas, you need to be nice to them.
No, I'm telling him to stop. Look, he already pulled. Oh no, I got it.
Oh, wow.
There! Here, another
Say
picture.
hi.
Hi. Can I say hi? Why can I stay here if they eat on me? Get in, get in, get in.
Wow, blue.
Oh, the fur.
Oh, they're fed. Last one, Marcus. We got four. We have four. Another one.
Last one.
Last one.
Magkaiba yan. I'm gonna bring Marcus in. Oh, yeah.
What color is that? Yellow?
Hello. Open. Get in.
Marcus, you like it, Marcus? Wow, Marcus.
Oh, ganda nun.
Wow, that's nice. Oh, you didn't get purple, hon? Oh, the other one's purple. Lucas, you need to talk to them all the time. Lucas, what are you gonna name your bird?
So this one's L-M-M-T. And what's yours?
My name,
It's
her
on
name
the-
is Gorgeous. Where is she? The white one, huh?
No, she's on the purple.
I don't want a purple.
Oh, blue?
There, oh, the blue. Why did you didn't get the white one? Okay, mine is purple. I like all of them.
So now that one behind the blue, that's purple.
Lucas, can you answer? Can you answer? That's Daddy. Hi guys, welcome to our home. Welcome to our home, guys.
Tay say hi. Hi. Tay say hi only. Hi.
Whoa,
No, don't
oh,
say
this is so loud.
Tay say
Tay, say hi, hi.
hi.
Whoa, are you mad?
Birds. Go in, go in. The fruit's right there. The fruit. Right there. There's one in
We need to buy more stairs.
I'm gonna feed them this. Just kidding. They'll make you shout and I'll make you drunk.
Lucas, what's her name? The yellow?
Yeah, Daddy said I'll call nice.
Nice.
And the other one is
My purple is Gorgeous. I name you Gorgeous. The blue one is L.
and the other one's blue. M
The
and
other one is
no, that one is M.
M. Yours is there.
L
I
M.
think they're the same, right? Yeah, Daddy put the same one. And another grade is for Titus. His name is T.
Mom, this one's looking at us. Why are they not getting food?
They're not hungry yet.
I'm gonna stay right. Mom, I'm gonna see at nighttime and then if they sleep, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna stay.
Yeah.
Put your hands so they can feed it.
Not yet. Tomorrow.
Can you try? Please. Did you?
Oh wow, he's eating his treat now.
In our next video, we will cover our first 3 days with our pets. So you can check it out and watch so you will know what happened in that 3-day period with our parakeet. Thank you.